Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Soul Fingers back with you again, hopefully with another interesting guitar lesson for you. This is my take on a lovely song from Leo Sayer, well, this version of it anyway, done by many artists. A song called When I Need You. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did a couple of days ago, okay, lesson preview. So hopefully going to teach you what I did in that playthrough. Standard tuning, but I've got a capo on fret 1, so we can play it in the same key that Leo Sayer recorded the song in originally, okay, which is a C sharp, okay. So the intro, okay, lovely intro, nice chord sequence, okay, starting off with a basic C chord, okay. So I'm just arpeggiating it, okay, so it's 5 down to 2 and then back up again. So all the way from 5 down to 2 to 3 to 4, okay. Then we're playing this nice chord, which is basically a C with B flat in the bass. It's if you probably haven't played it before, okay, it might take you a while to get the fingering. The way I play it is first finger is playing the first fret of the 5th string, the A string. My second finger is playing the first fret of the 2nd string, and my third finger is playing the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string. And again it's 5 down to 2, back to 3, back to 4. Okay, so once round each chord there, okay, so it's so once again, just the first finger, first fret from the capo on the 5th string, the A string. Second finger, first fret from the capo on the 2nd string, the B string. And my third finger is playing the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th string. Okay, 5 down to 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, next one is nice and easy. It's a straightforward, simple F chord. Okay. And you play the A string open, okay? So open A string and then the F shape, 5 down to 2 and then 3, then 4, as usual. So far. Nice progressing bass line, okay, dropping down, okay. The next one is a little bit tricky, but you should be able to go for it. Basically it's an F minor 6, okay. The way I'm doing it is to bar the first 3 strings on the 1st fret from the capo with the 1st finger. The 4th string is open, okay, and my pinky is going to the 4th fret from the capo on the bottom E string. So you've got the top 3 strings fretted with the 1st finger, 1st fret there, okay, and your 4th string is open, and the bottom E string is played on the 4th fret from the capo with your little pinky, okay. And the idea with this is to hit the bottom E string, then go to the 4th string, miss out the 5th string altogether. So you go 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now that'll probably take a bit of practice, but it's a nice chord, okay, F minor 6. So once again, right up to that point, slowly. Hopefully you've got that. Then what we do is to play a C chord with G in the bass. So it's a basic C chord But this third finger needs to go up to the bottom E string 3rd fret, and your pinky takes over on the 5th string 3rd fret from the capo. And you have to play the bottom E string. So the important note is that bottom E string 3rd fret, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 3, then 4. Don't need to play the 5th string, okay? Just 6, like you did with the previous F minor 6. 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So, right from the beginning. As far as we got. Then we play an A minor relief, an easy one. Sorry, that's 5 down to 2, 3, 4. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we go to, this is where we start strumming, believe it or not, a G chord. However you wish to do it, that way, or I tend to do it like that, but conventional way is fine. Okay, so far, let's go from the beginning. Sorry, let's do it, sorry, my mistake, let's do it again. Then we do a quick F, back to G, and then we're into the song, okay? So it's a G, F, you can play a full bar chord if you like, or just a simple F, or a 4-fingered F, whichever F you like to play, and back to the G. When I need you, and you're into the song, okay? Got that? So I think we'll stop there, because this is the hardest part of the song. It's the intro, really, okay, and it is quite an important part of the song, I think. So I'll leave you with those chords. So we just go through the whole thing very slowly once again, okay? When I need you. Okay, and we're off into the song. Okay, so we'll leave it there, because I think it might take you a little while to get your head around that intro. So the rest of the song will be in part 2. Okay, no problem. I'll see you shortly for part 2. Bye for now.